Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create library book checkout tracker in Coda. So if you sign up to Coda, you will get one free workspace where you can create new doc. So let's say if I start from blank doc because I want to customize the tracker for my own needs. So let's say library book checkout tracker. Right, so if we use / in table, here we can give student ID to the first column. In second column, let's say if I add email. Third column, let's say book title. Here if I choose borrowed date, then I choose return date, right? And finally we use duration, right? So let's go back here and change some of the column types. So first being our mix of text and number, so we'll go with text. Then for email we can go to column type people email. Similarly for book title we will continue to have it as text. Then borrowed date we can go for date, right? So date here. Return date is also date field. Now we need a duration field, right? So for duration we can use date duration, or we can also add formula. So return date minus borrowed date, right? And that's our formula, right? Now let's say if I start from student ID, which is going to be SD001, then email is John and some ID. Then let's say he borrowed $100 startup book. Borrowed date was say 5th of Jan. You can even modify this to look cool, like say readable one. Then he is also returning it. Let's make this one too, right? So let's say if he returned it on 10th, so duration is 5 days, right? You can further add formulas. If the days exceed 15 days, there will be penalty and so on, right? Now you can also beautify this table with your colors using conditional format. Choose green, right? So let's say if it's more than 14 or so, it should turn red, and you can flag even for penalty, etc., right? So like this you can keep on adding the required fields for your tracker, right? So this is library book checkout tracker in Coda.